Hi guys, in genetics it's very important to be able to trace the inheritance of a specific condition. The best way to do that is by pedigree charts. Here you can see one pedigree chart. All the squares represent males and the circles represent females. So here you can see a couple. The couples usually have one line that connects them. So here we have a male, here we have a female, and one line that connects them. All the shaded squares or circles are actually individuals that have the condition we are looking for. Like now, the condition we look for, it might just be a simple characteristic like blue eyes or brown eyes, or it can be a disease. Now, this couple here has 3 offsprings, and you can see them by the lines that are actually connected. So 1, 2, 3 lines. Now, these offsprings of the first couple, they also got married to other individuals, and they also have their own offsprings. Here, by these numbers, you can see the different generations. Generation 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, it's important to make these pedigree charts so we can investigate if a specific condition is recessive or dominant, or if a specific condition has to do with the sex chromosomes. Each type of inheritance has its own pattern, and we're going to see more patterns in the future. Now, let's take a look at an example that I have prepared. So now this is a new pedigree chart, and what we need to do here is to determine if the condition is recessive or dominant. Basically, if the gene that causes the specific condition is recessive or dominant. How can we do that? Let's say that we are looking at anemia. Now, we don't know if anemia is recessive or dominant. The best way to start investigating that using the pedigree chart is to find a couple that both of them are healthy or both of them have anemia. So this couple is not what we need. This couple is not what we need, but this couple here suits our needs because they are both healthy. As I said, we are looking for couples that are either both of them healthy or both of them suffering with a condition. Now, since we have the couple that we need, which is this one here, we start making different theories. Now, imagine that anemia is a dominant disease. So A, capital A, stands for anemia, and the small a stands for healthy. This means that these individuals here will have genotype A. They will both be homozygous recessive because this is the only way that they can be healthy. And you know that they are healthy because they are not shaded. So if these two persons are actually homozygous recessive, can they have offsprings that suffer from anemia? So the answer is no. This cannot work because these two people will always have offsprings that have the genotype AA. So all of their offsprings will be healthy. So this theory is not correct. So let's remove everything here and let's start again by making another theory. This is wrong. By saying that A is healthy and A small this time is anemia. Now, can this work? So these people here are healthy. So definitely they need to have one dominant allele. Now the second allele, it can be either a capital A or a small a. But since here we can see that they have 2 offsprings that suffer from anemia, it means that they are both heterozygous. And in this way, the whole pedigree can work out. So this disease or this condition we are looking for is definitely recessive. Now you may also be asked to write possible genotypes for all of the individuals on a pedigree chart. The easiest ones to start with, since the disease is recessive, are the ones that are shaded, because all of the shaded, it means they suffer from anemia, so they are homozygous recessive. Now the other individuals here, Okay? They can either be capital A and capital A or heterozygous. This couple, for example, we don't really know if this person is heterozygous or homozygous dominant because they only have one offspring that is healthy. If they have more offsprings and one of them has anemia, suffers from anemia, it definitely means that this individual here is heterozygous. But because usually the exercises ask for possible genotypes, you can give both of them.